Hey there. Welcome back to day 4 of our English Easy Practice series on the English Expert podcast. I'm Alex, your personal English guide, and I'm so happy to be here with you again today. This video is made just for you, my beginner learner, to help you improve your English speaking skills. Since it's just you and me, I'm going to guide you step by step to make speaking English easier and more fun. Today's lesson is called Day 4, Shadowing English Speaking Practice for Beginners. Learn English Conversation. We'll follow the same 4 parts as before: listening practice, vocabulary, listen and answer practice, and shadowing practice. Are you ready to keep learning and speaking English with me? Let's get started. Part 1, English Listening Practice. Let's start with some listening practice to train your ears for real-life English. I'm going to share a new short story with you, and I want you to listen carefully to understand the meaning. Here's the story. My name is Raj, and I'm from India. I'm learning English because I want to travel around the world. I arrived 4 days ago, and I'm staying in a small room near the school. My teacher, Mr. Smith, is from Canada. He's very friendly and makes the class fun every day. In the morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m., take a shower, and eat breakfast. After class, I go to the library to read English books. I like talking to my classmates because it helps me practice my English. That's the story. I'll ask you some questions about it later, so let's move on to the next part. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's learn some new word together, just you and me. I'll explain a few words from the story and use them in simple sentences to help you understand them better. First word, travel. It means to go to different places. For example, I want to travel to new countries. Let's say it together. I want to travel to new countries. Great. Next word, room, a place where you live or sleep. For example, I live in a small room. Repeat after me. I live in a small room. Nice. Third word, library, a place where you can read or borrow books. For example, I go to the library after class. Let's say it together. I go to the library after class. Good job. Last word, classmates. It means the people you study with in class. For example, I talk to my classmates every day. Repeat after me. I talk to my classmates every day. Awesome. Let's move to part 3. Part 3, Listen and Answer Practice. Now, let's do some interactive practice together. I'll ask you questions about the story I shared, and I want you to answer them out loud. Don't worry if you're not sure. I'll give you the correct answers right after. This will help you practice listening and speaking. Let's start. First question, is Raj from India? Yes, he is. He's from India. Where did Raj come from? He came from India. Did Raj arrive 4 days ago? Yes, he did. He arrived 4 days ago. Why does Raj want to learn English? He wants to travel around the world. Where does Raj live? He lives in a small room near the school. Is Raj's room big? No, it isn't. It's small. Is Mr. Smith from Canada? Yes, he is. He's from Canada. Is Mr. Smith friendly? Yes, he is. He's very friendly. What time does Raj wake up? He wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Does Raj take a shower in the morning? Yes, he does. He takes a shower. Where does Raj go after class? He goes to the library to read books. Does Raj like talking to his classmates? Yes, he does. He likes talking to his classmates. Great job answering. You're doing so well. Part 4, Shadowing Practice. Now, let's practice shadowing together. It's the best way to improve your speaking. Shadowing means you listen to me speak and repeat exactly what I say right after me, trying to copy how I say it. This will help you speak more clearly and naturally. I'll say some simple sentences from the story, and you'll shadow me. If it's too fast, you can always replay this part. Let's start. My name is Raj. Repeat after me. My name is Raj. Good. I'm from India. Shadow me. I'm from India. Nice. I arrived 4 days ago. Repeat. I arrived 4 days ago. Let's do that one again. 3 times. To really practice. I arrived 4 days ago. Shadow me. I arrived 4 days ago. One more time. I arrived 4 days ago. Perfect. I live in a small room. Repeat. I live in a small room. Awesome. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Shadow me. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Good. I go to the library after class. Repeat. I go to the library after class. Great. I like talking to my classmates. Shadow me. I like talking to my classmates. You're doing amazing. Great job today. I'm so proud of you for practicing with me on day 4. Since it's just you and me, I want to remind you, you're making awesome progress, and I'm here for you every step of the way. The best way to keep improving is to watch this video many times. The more you repeat, the better you'll speak. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the English Easy Practice YouTube channel for more lessons to help you speak English with confidence. You can also visit my website, EnglishEasyPractice.com, for free downloads and more practice. If you love this lesson, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye for now.